In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to compress your images with ExifInjector compressor while keeping your important metadata safe. Many image compressor websites reduce file size, but they automatically delete Exif, IPDC, or XMP metadata. That can remove your image title, description, keywords, copyright, creator name, and other useful SEO information. With ExifInjector compressor, you can reduce image weight while keeping your metadata intact. This is especially useful for photographers, agencies, bloggers, e-commerce sellers, and anyone who cares about image SEO. First, open the ExifInjector compressor tool. Click Browse or simply drag and drop your image into the upload area. After uploading the image, choose your compression settings if needed, then start the compression. The tool will optimize the image size while preserving the existing metadata. Once the compression is finished, download the compressed image. Now let's verify that the metadata is still there. Open the ExifInjector viewer and upload the compressed image. Here, you can check the Exif, IPDC, and XMP data. As you can see, the metadata is still available after compression. This means your image is lighter, faster to load, and still keeps the important information that supports image SEO, copyright, and content organization. Try ExifInjector compressor today. Compress your images smarter and keep your metadata working for you.